What's up, online shoppers? I'm going to show you this awesome product that I was gifted to try, and I'm super impressed with it. It is Quick and Brite Hot Tub Cleaner. You get a 16-ounce container in the package along with 2 different scrubbers for cleaning. And the cool thing about it is this product works on all kinds of stuff, whether you're using it on fiberglass, acrylic, marble, stone, porcelain, vinyl, or plastic. It works in bathtubs, spa showers, and it is awesome for using inside of your hot tub. Now, I have one of these inflatable hot tubs, and this stuff here is gentle enough to use inside. The process is super easy. You can use this as a dilution, or you can use it full strength. If you want to use it as a daily hot tub cleaner, you can use it as a dilution by putting 2 tablespoons of this gel into 16 ounces of hot water. You do want to be careful if it gets into the eyes and flush it immediately. Now, the other thing you can do is you can apply it directly to the sponge that it comes on, and you can scrub the surfaces, and it does a great job of getting all the buildup off the sides of your tub. I am super happy with the cleaning job the Quick Brite does. Basically, it has removed all of those hard water stains from inside of the tub. It has a really nice fresh smell, and I love that I can use it either as a daily cleaner or as something for getting harder built-in stains. The other thing that's cool is that it does multi-surfaces. So whether you have an inflatable hot tub like mine, a standard hard-sided installed permanent hot tub, your shower, your bathtub, this is fantastic and definitely a family favorite at my house.